Hi there, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, we'll step you through ReadCloud's Enhanced Annotations features. Available for eBooks in PDF format, Enhanced Annotations bring the text to life in many ways. Share hand-drawn notes, shapes, as well as embedded videos, images and HTML code with your ReadCloud to supplement and enhance learning outcomes. Access by clicking on the pen icon, which is located in the header of your e-reader, from right to left. You can add rich text with the HTML5 features. This is where you can add everything from images and videos, tables, special characters and emojis. The next icon along is where you can embed an image into the ebook. Click and drag to make the frame, browse or paste the URL for the image you want, add a description and hit create. Embed a video on top of your ebook to truly bring it to life. Click and drag to create a frame into which you can insert your video. Select from your video library and from within the content manager or paste a URL. Customize the video appearance in the mode drop-down menu, choose between a play icon or embedded with a thumbnail image onto the ebook. Type in a description and click create. Next along is the Overlaid text box tool. Select it, then click or tap and drag to create the text box. Then click or tap within it to change the text. Selecting Edit allows you to change the colour, opacity and alignment of the text, as well as font size and adding a description. The next two icons are shape tools, where you can create a circle or square highlighted shape. Click and drag to create the shape, then click on the shape to edit colour and opacity, and in this other tab, the thickness of the border. The delete and share tools also work the same. The pen allows you to freehand draw on top of your ebook. Head back to the cursor, move it around, click on your drawing to edit it, and you can change the colour, opacity and thickness of the line, as well as add a description. With the Select tool, you can move, edit and share each enhanced annotation with one or multiple of your ReadClouds or students. Remember, unless you share your annotation, it will only be visible to you, much like a text annotation. When you edit your annotation, you can also select Save as a preference, which will make your customizations the new default settings from now on. That covers all features available in ReadCloud's Enhanced Annotations, which can be used to help your students learn and engage with their studies. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.